Okay, hey guys, I'm just going to walk through yesterday's lesson, lesson 32 from May 21st. Yeah, just in case you guys need a little bit of extra help. So number one, I'm looking here and I see I have this fraction and then I have this fraction and this is my big fraction, okay? So I'm going to take my denominator, I'm going to flip it and multiply by 9 over n minus 1, okay? So then I see that nothing cancels, so I'm just going to do 9 times m plus 5, and then m minus 1 times m minus 1, and then you just want to distribute everything. So it's going to be 9m plus 5, and then you're going to FOIL this, and you should get, oh, I'm sorry, 45. I want to distribute to everything. So this should be 45. Then you're going to do m squared minus 2m plus 1. So that's the answer to number 1. Okay, number 2, I see this fraction and then, this fraction and this fraction. That's my big fraction. And I'm going to do 3 over m squared. And again, nothing cancels, so I'm just going to multiply across. So 3 over m cubed as your answer. Okay, number 3. Let me erase real fast. Okay, number 3, we have a lot going on. So first I need to combine my denominator. So I need to get the denominators to be the same. So I need to multiply this one by 9 over 9 and this one by x minus 2 over x minus 2. Okay, so I'm going to have 9 times x minus 1 over 9 times x minus 2. And I'm going to have minus x minus 1, x minus 2 over x minus 2. Oh, sorry. Wait, lies. Sorry. 9 times x minus 2. There we go. Okay. So because they have the same denominator now, I can combine the numerator. So I'm actually going to FOIL. Well, let's not FOIL it first. Let's just write it all at once. So there's x minus 1 minus x minus 1, x minus 2 all over x minus 2. Okay, so now to combine any like terms, we have to FOIL this out, okay? So, or distribute this out, I should say. So it's going to be 9x minus 9. And then I'm going to get x squared minus 2x minus 1x plus 2, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and change all my signs because, well, let's combine like terms first. This is going to be 3x plus 2. Okay, but there's this negative sign, so I'm going to bring that negative sign in. This is still the numerator, guys. So minus x squared plus 3x minus 2. So then I'm just going to write it in standard form. So negative x squared plus, I'm going to combine this term and this term, so 12x. And then combine this term and this term, so minus 11x. Okay, that's my numerator. My denominator is 9x minus 18. I brought that 9 in on the inside. Okay, that's just the denominator. So in the numerator, we still have x minus 2 over x minus 1. And then this is over negative x squared plus 12x minus 11 over 9x minus 18. Okay, so I'm going to flip this and do 9x minus 18 over negative x squared plus 12x plus 11 minus 11. And I'm going to see if I can cancel anything, but I can't in this form with my trinomial. So let's change our sign real fast. Or factor out that negative. Factors of 11 that add up to negative 12. Negative 11 and negative 1. But, so if I write it like this, okay, nothing's going to cancel because the negative 1 is down here. It's not here, so that won't cancel. If I factor out this just to go backwards, that won't cancel with the -2 because it's there in the same numerator. We need them to be opposite. So nothing's going to cancel, so I just need to FOIL this, or factor this. Distribute this, I should say. So in my numerator, here, wait, let me give me some more space, sorry. This is a gross one, sorry guys. X minus 2, 9x minus 18, that's my numerator. And then my denominator is x minus 1, negative x squared plus 12x minus 11. Okay? From there, you're just going to distribute everything. Okay? So I really would recommend the area method right now. I didn't do it before, but I'm getting a little sloppy. So I would definitely recommend the area method or the box method. So x and -2, 9x and negative 18. So 9x squared. This will be negative 18x, this will be negative 18x, and this will be 36. So my numerator, I have 9x squared minus 36x plus 36. I added those like terms together. Denominator, you can still do the area method. You would just have an extra column. So negative x squared, 12x, negative 11, and then x and -1. So negative x cubed, 12x squared, negative 11x, x squared, negative 12x, and 11. And the like term should be on the diagonal again. So I should get negative x, let's write this a little bit smaller. Okay, let's do it in green too. So I should get negative x cubed plus 13x squared. I'm adding this. And then you're going to get minus 23x. That's adding that and that. And then plus 11. And that would be your answer for number 3. Okay, and these are examples where nothing cancels, so good job, Miss Pickle. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's do this last one here. I don't even know where it's at. There it is. Okay. Let's do this last one and then hope something cancels. Okay, in this one, common denominator already. That's awesome. So 16 over 9 plus m over 16. I'm going to flip it. So 16, nothing's going to cancel, right? 16m plus 1. And remember this, when I flip it, this goes away. This goes away, and it's just over 1 now, okay? So then it's going to be 256 over 9 plus m, or m plus 9. However, it probably should be the other way around if we want to get technical. M plus 9. And those are your answers for 1 through 4.